What's going on? It's Roger. So here I am at a smaller campus, one of the many that is spread out throughout San Francisco. This is the John Adams campus. I took anatomy and physiology over here. What else? I forgot what classes I took. It's been a long time, almost 10 years ago. But from 2010 to 2012, I was going primarily through here. If you can see above the door, it says healthcare technology. So this is the campus that had phlebotomy, had the cardiovascular technologist program, had the EKG program, and so I was downstairs. We go down one more floor, and I spent 2010 to 2012 doing the CVT cardiovascular program. And so, just revisiting this place. Not much has changed. But anyways, yeah.